brings the apples in. Apparently she gets them from Tesco, but loose fruit in plastic bags now. Right. Now behave yourself. That's the head. That's the body.
Eh?
This is one with the muscular legs.
Put the time on me, getting rid of just getting
Gentle. Well, last one when I was pregnant with Chris. Didn't get very big then. You joke around.
Well, apparently your mum wore these when she was pregnant with you. I said, but she didn't get very big.
Yeah, I wasn't there when that happened.
There's the leg up. There's one leg not gone down, that's why it's...
Is there any? Which finger it is.
Oh, why? Is this like something he likes?
No, he's never wore it for years, but look, Institute of Mechanical Engineers. I'm getting a bit hot here. Oh! Got his muscles through.
I think he's worked out too much on that one.
Yeah. His head's good.
Oh dear.
So how's the supervising of the guy going?
Supervising?
Yeah, you guys are overseeing the entire project.
You're quite interested.
Yeah.
In what?
What's going on? He said we're supervising it.
Are you not? Get back to work. Okay, sorry.
Oh, you're doing the dance there with it. Dance around the plate.
Sorry, remember. What's that going fish now, are you?
The days are full to be finished.
Oh, it's filming.
Do you want to share that one if I go and get
Dad, do you want to give me a tour of the fireworks? With your light, which is rubbish.
On my headlight.
That's not very good.
That's crap, isn't it?
I just whoa, that's really going now. You're missing it, Dad. Move over there.
Alright, but not then burning wheels. As far as you're not going to stick it on your one, and have this. fatal attraction to fire.
Nice to have a screen. That's Mel trying to kill herself by reaching into hot fire.
Yeah, with Marlon.
Where were we that night? Marvin and Emma Mark thought, why is it so busy down here? Why is there so many people? Like, maybe they've gone to the gym. So you missed a perfect picture
Yeah, well, I was
with his
filming.
face burning, and then it fell off and his head's down there somewhere.
Oh, okay.
It didn't fall off, it's like they've disgorged, the paper kind of came out.
Right. So is this better than a barbecue, or would you prefer a barbecue bonfire?
Barbecue's more amusing.
No?
I don't know, ask the homeless couple down there.
Oh, that's the homeless couple.
I'm just waiting for the Salvation Army coming round with
So,
a soup.
Well, there is some soup tonight.
Yeah, don't speak too for me. Which did you prefer, the barbecue bonfire or the regular bonfire?
That bonfire.
Cinder block bonfire.
Yeah.
We were going to teach you to say bonfire. It's a song.
Oh.
Try it now.
Do you want to have a go?
No.
Bonfire.
No.
No?
No.
No?
No.
No?
Oh, you mean the pine that your mum reckoned was going to...
No, I just chucked some rosemary.
Alright.
So what happened to the lawn that usually lives under there?
Rolled up at the back. Action! Come with me.
No, you gotta say it in front of it. You can't say it in the opposite direction.
Come with me and see the fireworks.
Wait,
Reason and
take
invited.
three.
Take three.
Go.
Come with me and see the fireworks. Right. There are only some of them.
Well, walk me through, Dad. Walk me through.
Well, there's some ones there that you and William put up, which I have no idea about. That one there is fastened to the post, so it shouldn't fall over.
Yeah. What's this?
I don't know. It's got
Okay,
on the
it's
side.
fastened.
Ultimate something on the side. There's a Mighty Tom there.
Oh wow, they're hidden. I didn't realise you had.
Well, you got to
some
bury them. Mighty Tom.
there. Is this what the built-up bank was for?
No, it's just
Oh.
coincidence. There's another one there. There's another one, and that one's called Jewel. Oh, I did remember what.
Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks like we're going to start.
Mulled apple juice.
Okay.
What with a guy that's all.
What's it like living on the streets then?
It's not very nice, lady.
Oh, whoopsie.
You just sit here all day and nobody takes any notice of you.
You trying to spell your name, Cheryl?
No.
What are you doing?
Oh, Tom.
Oh. You trying to spell your name, Mel?
Oh, well, I'd have a hard job. I hope it's not in slow motion like Chris did last year.
No, it's not.
So, was that your favourite firework, was it?
Yes, it was. What?
They didn't record last time.
No, it doesn't matter. Mum,
Once you start Cheryl thrusting. What? So serious.